Today we will solve few more questions from the simultaneous linear equations, wherein we don't have to follow any particular method like substitution, cross multiplication, elimination. Whichever process we find easier or whichever method is easier, we do with that method. Okay, the first question I have here is 2 by x plus 2 by 3y is equals to 1 by 6. 2 by x minus 1 by y is equals to 1. I have the two equations here. So first we'll change this equation into its simplest form. Okay, from equation 1 we'll change this first. 2 by x plus 2 by 3y equals to 1 by 6, or this can be written as, take the LCM. So 3 x y is the LCM. Since we take the LCM by multiplying these two numbers, so we can just cross multiply the numerator. 3 2 are 6y plus 2 into x, 2x is equals to 1 by 6. If you noticed here, denominator we have only one term, and one term is similar. 3 1 are 3, 3 2 are 6. Then we'll do simple cross multiplication, or 2 6 are 12y plus 2 2 are 4x is equals to 1 into xy is here xy. This is here equation 3. And similarly we will do from equation 2. We have 2 by x minus 1 by y is equals to 1. Again we will take the LCM. xy is the LCM. 2 into y minus 2 x1 are x is equals to 1, or we'll get here 2y minus x is equals to xy. So this we consider as equation 4. Okay, now from equation 3 and 4 we get, so if we equate these two equations, what we'll get here? See here, equation 3 is here 12y plus 4x is equals to xy. 2y minus x is equals to xy. This is a equation 3 and this is a equation 4. If you solve these two equations, okay, first what we have to see, we have to make either of these variables equal. Okay, that is we can do by multiplying both. So here it will be easier if you multiply with 1. If you multiply with 4, we will get 4x and 4x similar. So we will multiply with 1, nothing will change. 2y plus 4x is equals to 4, sorry, this is a xy, and here 2 into 4, 4 into 2 is here how much? 8y minus 4 1 are 4x is equals to 4xy. So now here this is a 4 plus 4x minus 4x, which will get cancelled, and remaining terms both are plus, so we'll add this. This will become 20y is equals to, this will become 4 plus 1 5xy. Both sides we have y will get cancelled. 5 1 are 5, 5 4 are 20. Therefore x is equals to 4. Now substituting the value of x in equation, how much equation we will do in 4, we get equation 4. What we have here, 2y minus x is equals to xy, or 2y, x is here 4 is equals to 4y, or we can do minus 4 is equals to 4y minus 2y, or this will be here minus 4 is equals to how much? 2y. So here we can cancel 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4. So we got the value. Therefore y is equals to 2. Thus we will get the answer. Therefore x is equals to 4, y is equals to 2. This is your solution. Clear? The same sum I have here. Let's solve this with the other method. This is your equation 1. This is your equation 2. If you see here, first equation, we have 2 by x plus 2 by 3y. If you want to write this equation, 2 into 1 by x plus 2 by 3 into 1 by y. You can see these terms. Here in the second method, we can assume this term as some other variable, because in the second equation also we have 1 by x, 1 by y. Let 1 by x is equals to a and 1 by y is equals to b. Thus, equation 1 and 2 changes to equation 1 will become 2a plus 2 by 3b is equals to 1 by 6. First solve this equation, or take the common here, LCM 3 2 are 6a plus 2b equals to 1 by 6. If you notice here, these two terms are similar, 3 1 are 3, 3 2 are 6, or by cross multiplication we get 2 6 are 12a plus 2 2 are 4b is equals to 1. This is your equation 3, and here from equation 2 we get 2a minus b equals to 1. This is your equation 4. Okay. So here from equation 3 and 4 we get, so equation 3 is here 12a plus 4b is equals to 1, and here is 2a minus b is equals to 1. This is your 3, this is your 4. Now we will multiply equation 3 with 1, equation 4 with 4, then we will get here 12a plus 4b is equals to 1, and 4 2 are 8a minus 4b is equals to 4 1 are 4. So when we multiply with 4, we are getting plus 4b minus 4b, the same but different sign, so we can have them cancel. Then we will get here by adding 12 plus 8 is here 20a is equals to 5. Then we cancel 5 1 are 5, 5 4 are 20. Then we will get the value of a. Therefore a is equals to 1 by 4. We got the value of a. A is equals to 1 by 4. Okay. Substituting the value of a in equation 4, we get, substituting value of equation a value of a in equation, substituting the value of a in equation 4, we get equation 4 is here 2a minus b is equals to 1, or 2 into a is here 1 by 4 minus b is equals to 1. Then we will do here 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, or this will be 1 by 2 minus b is equals to 1, or we will take this side, minus b is equals to 1 minus 1 by 2. Okay, or minus b is equals to 2 1 are 2 minus 1 is here 1 by 2. Therefore b is equals to minus 1 by 2. Let's take this as equation 5 and this as equation 6. So now substituting the value of A and B in equation 5 and 6 we get. In equation 5 is here A is equals to 1 by 4, this is your equation 5, or A is here 1 by x is equals to 1 by 4. If you do the cross multiplication, x into 1 x is equals to 4 into 1 4, or B is here B is equals to minus 1 by 2, this is your equation 6, or B is here 1 by y is equals to minus 1 by 2. Therefore, cross multiplication 1 into y is here y is equals to 2 in minus 2 into 1 is here minus 2. So, therefore, x is equals to 4, y is equals to minus 2. See here also we are getting the same answer. This is the second method with which we can solve the given simultaneous equation, okay, taking 1 by x is equals to a and 1 by y is equals to b. Let's do one more sum. 2 by x plus 5 by y is equals to 1. 60 by x minus 20 by y is equals to 13. Okay, so here this is your equation 1, this is your equation 2. Now here we'll take let 1 by x is equals to a and 1 by y is equals to, we'll take this as m and n. Okay, so thus equation 1 and 2 changes to 1 by x will be a m, so that means this will be a 2m plus 5n is equals to 1. This will become equation 3, and similarly here 60m minus 20n is equals to 13. This is your equation 4. Now here from equation 3 and 4 we write from equation 3 and 4 we get. We'll first write the equation 2m plus 5n is equals to 1. This is your 3, and this is your 60m minus 20n is equals to 13. This is your equation 4. Now we will multiply this equation with some number to get these two sums easier. So here if you want to make this 60, then we have to multiply with 30, but if you have to make this 20, we have to multiply this just with 4. So which will be easier? So we will multiply equation 3 with 4, equation 4 with 1. So I'll just write it down here. 4 into 2 is here 8m plus 4 5 are 20n, 4 1 are 4, and 60m minus 20n is equals to 13. So which will not change here. Okay. Here plus 20n minus 20n will get cancelled. Then we'll get here 60 plus 8, 68m is equals to 13 plus 4, 17. We know that 17 4 are 68. So we can write it 17 1 are 17, 17 4 are 68. Therefore, m is equals to 1 by 4. Now, from equation 3, it will be easier. We get, so we have to substitute the value of m in equation 3 here. 2m plus 5n is equals to 1. Or we can write here 2m, it will be how much here? 2 into 1 by 4, because m is here 1 by 4, plus 5n is equals to 1. So 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, or we'll get 1 by 2 plus 5n is equals to 1, or we'll take this other side, 5n is equals to 1 minus 1 by 2, or 5n is equals to 2, 1 or 2 minus 1 is here, 2 1 or 2 minus 1 is here, how much? 1 by 2. So then we can write here, therefore n is equals to 5 2 are 10, 1 by 10. Clear? or okay, now let's consider this as equation 5 and this as equation 6. Okay, now substituting the value of m and n in equation 5 and 6 we get. So from 5 we will get here m is equals to 1 by 4. This is equation 5, but m is here 1 by x, or in place of m we can write 1 by x is equals to 1 by 4. Therefore x is equals to 4, and from equation 6 is here n is equals to 1 by 10. This is equation 6, or 1 by n is here 1 by y, so 1 by y is equals to 1 by 10, or so therefore we can write just y is equals to 10. So therefore x is equals to 4, y is equals to 10. This is how we solve the sum. Let's solve one more sum. Okay, so this is a 7x minus 2y divided by xy. This is your equation 1. 8x plus 7y divided by xy is equals to 15. This is your equation 2. So equation 1 and equation 2, if you want to write in the simplest form, we can write here 7x minus 2y, do the cross multiplication, this will become 5xy. Let's this be equation 3, and from here it will become 8x plus 7y is equals to 15xy. This is equation 4. Okay, so from equation 3 and 4 we'll get here. So let's multiply these two numbers. So this is the simplest form of the equation. So how we can make this similar? So here is 7, here is 8, here is 2, here is 7. We have to make either of this equal. So what we can do here is, here we'll multiply with 7 and here we'll multiply with 2. 7 7 are 49x minus 7 2 are 14y. This is equals to 7 5 are 35xy, 2 8 are 16x plus 2 7 are 14y is equals to 15 2 are 30xy. Then simple here. So these two will get cancelled. 49 plus 16 will become 65x is equals to 30 plus 35 is a 65xy. We can have this x cancel both sides. 65 1 are 65, 65 1 are 65. Therefore y is equals to 1. Substituting the value of y in equation, which equation we will substitute? Let's substitute in equation 3. We get 7x minus 2y is equals to 5xy, or this is a 7x minus y is here 1, 2 into 1 is equals to 5x, y is equals to 1, or this will become 7x minus 2 is equals to 5x, or we'll do 5, here 7x, this will come minus 5x is equals to, minus will become plus 2, or 2x is equals to 2, 2 1 are 2, 2 1 are 2, therefore x is equals to 1. Okay, and simply we'll get the answer. Therefore x is equals to 1, y is equals to 1. This is our solution. Clear? Let 1 by x plus y equals to, we will take a, and 1 by x minus y equals to b. Suppose we have this equation 1, then equation 2. So equation 1 and equation 2 changes. So equation 1 n2 changes to, so equation 1 will have how much here? 1 by x is equals to a, so this will be a 3a plus 2b equals to 3, and equation 2 will become here 2a plus 3b equals to 11 upon 3. So this is your equation 2. Now it will become 3. This equation will make as 4. Now from these two equations we have to multiply with some number, okay, so that we will get the variables similar in both the equations. Okay, so we also have to keep in our mind that here is a denominator 3, we try to eliminate this 3 as well. So in order to eliminate this 3, we will multiply this with 3. So if we multiply this with 3, this will become 6, this will become 9. So in order to make this 6, we can multiply this with 2. 2 3 are 6a plus 2 2 are 4b is equals to 2 3 are 6. 2 3 are 6a plus 3 3 are 9b is equals to, if you multiply this 3 and the 3 will get cancelled, here we will have only 11. Okay, now both the signs are same, positive, so one we have to make negative, so we will add with minus here. This sign will change, plus will become minus, plus will become minus. So all the signs are changed here. Okay, so plus 6 minus 6 both cancelled. So here plus 4 minus 4, this will be minus 5b equals to plus 6 minus 11 minus 5. So this will cancel, 5 1 are 5, 5 1 are 5. Also the minus will get cancelled here. This is just the equation, so therefore b is equals to 1. We got the value of b1. Now putting the value of b in equation, which equation? Equation, okay, we'll take 2, we get equation 2 first, we'll copy 3a plus 2b equals to 3. So here 3a plus 2b is a 1 equals to 3, or 3a plus 2 equals to 3, or 3a equals to 3 minus 2, or 3a is equals to 1, therefore a is equals to 1 upon 3. This we got the value of a and the b. Now we'll do next is a substituting the value of a and b in equation 5 and 6. We get, let's make this as equation 5 and this as equation 6. Okay, so from equation 5 what we get here? A is equals to 1 by 3. How much is a? A is a 1 by x plus y. So or a is equals to 1 by x plus y is equals to 1 by 3. Cross multiplication, first we will multiply this, x plus y is equals to 3, and here b is equals to 1. Okay, or the value of b is 1 upon x minus y is equals to 1, or x minus y equals to 1. So we will consider this as equation 6, 7. Many equations we are having. This is equation 8. Now from equation 8, 7 and 8 we get, so equation 7 is a x plus y is equals to 3. This is a x minus y is equals to 1. So we do here, y has positive and negative sign, the y get cancelled. Here we will get 2x is equals to 4. So then we will cancel 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4. Therefore x is equals to 2. Again we will do here, compare the same equation. X plus y is equals to 3 and x minus y is equals to 1. So we will change the sign here now, plus, this is a minus. Then how much we will get here? We will work with this sign, this here, plus x minus x cancel. So plus y, 2y is equals to 2, 3 minus 1 is a 2, 2 1 are 2, 2 1 are 2. Therefore y is equals to 1. Therefore x is equals to 2, y is equals to 1. This is how we solve the equation. Okay. Here I have written 6 different questions. You can practice these questions. Okay.